Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to another round of 10 on the 10th. This is a collaboration hosted by Kim over at Metal Scrap and Chick here on YouTube, and it is just about making Christmas cards all year long so that when it comes time to send them out over the holidays, you're not scrambling to get the cards done and mailed out amidst all of the other holiday festivities. Again, this month I focused on this Recollections Christmas paper pad. It's a beast, 180 sheets. I am working my way through it. My goal is to finish it somehow this year, just because again, it's another one that's been in my stash for a while, 2015. So this month I focused again also on some Project Life cards that I had got from Stampin' Up! Last year on clearance. It was like a set with some 3x4 inch cards and then some 4x6 inch cards and then some stickers. So these are 5x7 size cards and they're just white card bases. And I just took some pattern paper from the pad and then I tried to find patterns that kind of coordinated with the colors that were in the journal cards. And then a strip to go down the left. I had a bunch of strips left from something, so I was trying to use those up. And so I also then tried to pull in some of the stickers to try and get those used up. So I have like 4 of each design, and then there's 3 designs. So there's the Ho Ho Ho. There's the Santa, and this one I pulled in a tag here, some postage stamp stickers down here, and then this time the strip goes this way. 4 of those, and then last one is a horizontal card and have a Holly Jolly Christmas, and then this time the strip goes again horizontally and then added some holly stickers on each corner, and there are 4 of those. And I did use strips of the pattern paper on the insides of the cards as well. So actually I got 12 cards this month instead of 10, and just add this to my stash. There are other participants playing along with this collaboration, so please be sure to check out their links that will be in the description box below to see what kind of Christmas cards they made this month. And it's not too late if you want to jump in on this collaboration, kind of using the hashtag 10 on the 10th card collab. You are welcome to do so, and we can see what kind of cards you make, and you can get a head start on making your cards for this holiday season. Thank you guys so very much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.